Today we're going to be going over how to change staples and empty hole punch. On a 306, 307, 308, they may have an internal finisher or an external finisher. We're going to show you here on the internal finisher how to replace the staples. Open the cover, pull down slightly, replace the staples. Click it in. On this particular model, 306, 307, 308, 408 has the external finisher. Open the cover. It does have a waste punch and a staple unit. Remove the waste punch, take it out, empty it out, slide it back on the rail here. To do the staple unit, pull down slightly, replace the staples. Sometimes when you get these little sleeves like this, I like to open this up, remove that little sleeve out of there, just so that it's new. Close it back up, slide it in, clicks into place. Click it in, close.